Has it ever crossed your mind on how to make your first 1 million naira as a YouTuber? Let's talk about the part most people won't tell you. How to actually make your first 1 million naira from YouTube. Not in theory, not overnight, but real steps, real growth, real income. Whether you're starting from 0 subscribers or you are stuck trying to make the first breakthrough, this video is for you. So when I started YouTube, the goal was not even a million. It was just to survive, to grow something real. But with time, I realized YouTube is more than just views and subscribers. It is a business. And like every business, the first income milestone, especially your first million naira, is possible if you understand what really matters. The truth is, YouTube pays, but not just through AdSense. Relying only on views and hoping money will drop is not how it works, especially in Nigeria. You want to reach a million? Then your mindset has to shift from content creator to value provider. And that starts with your niche. Most people pick a niche because it is trending. But you see, trends die fast. If you want to build an income, pick a niche that solves problems. People don't just watch for entertainment, they search for answers. When you create content that answers those questions consistently, you begin to attract a loyal audience, and a loyal audience brings in big opportunities, possibly speaking gigs or even one-on-one coaching. Now here is where the game changes. Monetization starts before the AdSense pin even arrives. A lot of people don't even think about it that way, but you see, you need to start thinking about brand deals, affiliate marketing, digital products and services. Even with just 1,000 loyal subscribers, or maybe even below, you can make money if you are strategic. I have seen channels with less than 5,000 subscribers any more than big channels because they understand their audience and create content that converts. And do not forget about SEO. YouTube is a search engine. Your titles, your thumbnails, your description, all of these things are not decorations. They are discoverability tools. When you understand YouTube SEO, you don't have to rely on luck. Your video starts working for you even when you are sleeping. But it is not all money talk. Let's be real. You would burn out if you are only chasing money. What keeps you consistent? What keeps your uploads going even when the numbers are low? Is passion. You must love what you're doing, or at least love the value you are offering to your audience, because that energy, it shows in your content and your viewers feel it. Making your first 1 million is not magic, it's momentum. One well-made video shared to the right people with the right title can lead to the next. You build, you learn, you grow, and one day you open your account and realize that, wow, wait, I just crossed a million naira. Well, it won't happen overnight, and you will discover that it is worth it when you go through the process. So if you are watching these and you have been doubting yourself, thinking that YouTube market is saturated, remember this: no one can replace your voice, your story, your perspective. Your first 1 million naira is not just possible, it is waiting on the other side of your consistency and strategy. So like this video if I spoke to you, subscribe for more real YouTube growth content, and drop a comment below. Let's talk about what is stopping you from making your first 1 million naira from YouTube.